Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by and checking out this application which we have made. This was the use case provided by Adknowledge, which is enhanced weather reporting for travel planning. So we have used Google APIs as the backend and MongoDB for the backend to store the login details and everything. So here comes the login screen. Here we can provide our email address and password to log in, but first, before that, we have to register. So in the register screen, you can see that first name, last name, password, and the email address are the fields which you have to provide. So in the first name, for example, I'll provide first and the last name as last and password as the password. Of course, it's a secret, and email address is like email@routealong.com and click on create account. So you can get an alert for saying that this so-called email has been registered successfully, and you'll be routed back to login page once again. So you can provide your email ID, email@routealong.com. Password is the password which I have provided, and of course we have some limitations here. The password should be 8 characters, and if at all it doesn't match the password in the back end, it should throw an error saying that please enter the password. And if at all you exceed more than 8 characters but still your password is wrong, you'll get an invalid password error message. So you have to provide password success correctly, and after that click on login. You can see a welcome message, and this is the screen. So here just provide the source place, like for example, of course, Kansas City, my current staying city, and to, for example, it's in Indianapolis. So Indianapolis, and get a route. So I can get this route, and this is a simple thing. Okay, but still we can take different types of modes of travel. For example, if at all I wanna go by walking, this is one route. If at all I wanna go by transit, you can see this is the transit. If at all you click on this, you can see this is the train you have to take, and this is the train, another train you have to take, and this is a bicycling mode. So these are the modes of travel. And of course, if at all while going in a bicycle I wanna have some stop bys in between. So for example, if at all I wanna stop for food, I can select this food here and click on show places in between. You can see the number of places between these two routes, Kansas City and Indianapolis. So these are the places. If at all I click on this particular icon, you can say it is a subway which is located in this and this address, and this is some Ham's price store which is located in this and this address. So we can get all these details in this. So, and if at all you wanna see the street view of the place where you wanna go, you can click on the start location street view, see how the city is. If at all you wanna see the end location street view, you can click on that. So this way you can get along, see the places of in the street view. Even you can play around with that. And finally, yes, of course, weather, which is an important thing here. I can get along the route. Here in the down, you can see the route details as well. That's a kind of add-on. And if at all you click on the source weather, you can see the forecast of the Kansas City right now. So the humidity level, temperature, and current status, conditions. And if at all you click on the destination weather, you can have the details for the Indianapolis. So what is the humidity over there, and the temperature over there, and what are the conditions and everything. So finally you can log out from the application, and you can say what happens if I go back. If at all I go back, it'll throw an error saying that you cannot go back, log in once again with the valid credentials. So you'll be once again thrown into the login page. Finally, thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.